Hello guys, what's up? It's Asif here again, and another confession. Yes, yes indeed. The more I look at the Fujifilm GFX 100RF compact camera, the more I am thinking that there is something in it, and many photographers will love it. Maybe, just maybe, there are many photographers who are in search for something like this for so many times. They had something in the disguise of the Leica, the disguise of the Nikon 1 series Q1Z1. I think you remember them. Disguised in the Sony A7 C7R, those lineup, but they never actually get what they wanted. Maybe, just maybe, this time Fujifilm may have just make their dream come true. Why? Just understand the scenario. You are a core street photographer, photographing streets for years and years, and you are a professional one. That means your photo should have professional value. You are not those snap shooters who saying that I have a iPhone 16 Pro Max, I have a Google Pixel 9 Pro Max, the Samsung S25 Pro Max, and it shoots great photos better than your 24 megapixel, 30 megapixel full frame. You are not those guys. You are a guy who really need a camera for his or her professional work. For them, it has very good amount of value. $5,000. You are getting 102 megapixel full frame. Sorry, not full frame. Medium format camera. That means you are getting a tons of data. And one thing you have to understand that suppose you shoot at 35 mil at 102 megapixel medium format camera. Okay, first of all, you're gonna need a little bit crop. You think that 50 ml can have good amount of focal length on this, so you just crop it. Still you are getting 80 megapixel on the board, a medium format camera, 80 megapixel on the board, so your photo is still valuable. Still you are getting the quality you gonna need. 50 ml, you're gonna need more, 70 ml, still you are having 65 megapixel. Understand this scenario. You're gonna need 105 ml. There's a maximum I can say for street photography. Still you are having 40 megapixel shot. Just remember that a 40 megapixel shot can be achievable in that particular camera. So you are not having the fixed lens. You can use the lens from 35 to 105 or even 200 ml with the help of cropping. Now you can say that no, I don't want to crop, I want to give the raw, give the first one. Then yes, you can have argument with me, but understand that you are getting a 30 to 35 megapixel in Leica at 105 ml, and you are getting 40 megapixel at Fujifilm at 105 ml. So still the Fujifilm actually better than your Leica. Understand it? And on that part, it cost less. Yes, it cost less because the camera and lens duo cost around $5,000 for the Fuji. But for the Leica one, the camera will cost $5500 and the lens with 105 ml cost extra 3 to 4 grand. That means almost 8 to $10,000, and here it's competed under $5,000. So understand these two scenarios, and for them I think it has the value. The Sony A7C C Mark II, those are great, but they lack many things. Street photographers don't need high quality videographical stuffs. They need a good camera, great depth of field, awesomely great dynamic range, and a videographical specification up to 4K. That's enough. They will not need the open gate, the 4:2:2, 4K 60p or 6.2K or even 8K. They does not bother about that. They gonna need a good portable camera, a good portable camera with a quite good focus mechanism, because many times they use manual focus. So good focus is quite okay. They don't need ultra sharp focus every single time. Sharp means that instant focus, not the photo sharpness. I'm saying that they don't gonna need them. They need a tilting screen because they are photographers. So you can say that why not a totally rotatable screen? Totally rotatable screen goes like this. So your small camera will get extended by this type, and that is not good because its compactness, that's the appeal it will have for street photography, and for that they will love this particular camera. I think it's one of the great, but the price point is quite high, and that's why I will say that it's not for all. It will be for those selected one who really are professional one, not enthusiastic one, not beginners one, not even amateurs one. It's really for the professional one only. And that's all I have to say here in this particular video. Let me know your valuable opinion about this camera in the comment section below.